This 2017 Winnebago Journey 36M is a Class A RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a Brooklyn, Greenwich, Manhattan, Tribeca interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 85 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Winnebago Journey 36M is built on a Maxum chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.